Okay, so let's look through your maths. So we had Amir has 2 pieces of ribbon. The green piece is 14 centimeters long. So there's our green piece, 14 centimeters long. And the blue piece is half the length of the green. The question is, what is the total length of the pieces of ribbon? First, we need to find out how big is the blue piece. The blue piece is half of the green. So if we do 14 divided by 2, we get 7. That means the blue piece is now 7. And we come back to the main question. Of course, that is not it. The main question, what's the total length of both? So if we add these two up, 14 and 7, we get 21. All right, Jack bakes 200 muffins. He bakes 126 of them on Monday. He bakes the rest on Tuesday. And now be careful here. So you're not assuming that the question is going to be, well, how many did he bake on Tuesday? We do need to know that, but the end question is, how many more muffins did he bake on Monday than Tuesday? So first we do need to work out how many he made on Tuesday. So if we do 200, subtract the 200 total, subtract the 126 he made on the Monday, we end up with 74. So we've got 74 that he made on Tuesday, but this does not answer our question. The question was, how many more did he make on Monday than Tuesday? So to find the difference, we subtract again. So we take 126 that he made on Monday, subtract the 74 from Tuesday, and we're left with 52. So Jack bakes 52 more muffins on Monday than Tuesday. Number 3, Whitney has some money. She spends 4/7 of the money on a game. So what we'll do is we'll split this bar up into 7 pieces, but 4 of them, look, have been shaded out because those represent the game that she spent. She shares the rest of the money equally between 6 friends, it says here. So that's the game, the 4/7. Don't know how much that costs, but whatever she had left, those 3/7, we're splitting that with 6 friends. So each friend, it says, receives £4. And how much did the game cost? That's our final question. How much did the game cost? So the first thing we should maybe try and solve is, well, each friend received £4. And there were 6 friends. So if we take these 3 bars that we have left in half, we've now got 6, one for each friend. And it says that each received £4. And that's all of her friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 friends receiving their £4 each. Now remember, these blocks are the same size as these blocks. So if we could halve these ones, well, then we can halve these ones. And that means that each one of them is worth 4 as well. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fours. 8 fours are 32. So this must mean the game was £32. Number 4, an apple is half the price of a slice of cake. So let's see that. Apple is cake. The apple is half the size of the cake. Remember that's important. The apple is half the size of a cake cost. Mrs. White buys 2 slices of cake and 3 apples. There's her 2 slices that she's bought, 3 apples that she's bought. And it says that she paid £6.79 in total. And the big question is, how much is a slice of cake? 1 slice. I wonder if you can already spot what we should do. As we said at the start, a cake is twice as big as 1 apple. So that meant we were able to divide this perfectly in 2. And therefore we can do the same here. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal chocks to divide. And we have £6.79 to do it. So if we take our £6.79 and divide it by 7, so you would do your bus stop method, 6.79 divide by 7, keeping the decimal point in the same place on both, and so on, you'd eventually get 97 pence. So that means that we've got 97 pence to share equally into each block. So there they go, 97 into each block. And now we can work out how much a slice of cake is, because a slice of cake is just 2 of those chocks. So 97 times 2, £1.94. So a slice of cake, rather expensive, costs £1.94. All right, guys, I hope that made sense. Any problems, questions, queries, use the chat. We'll talk to you then. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to do your mathletics.